Yeah. Moves. Meow. What are we meowing? Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's me again, collab. And today I'm going to be reacting to MEOVV. MEOW. I don't know the correct pronunciation for them. So we're going to be reacting to their music video, their debut, MEOW. And what are we meowing? Well, yeah, let's react to it. I just hope it's nice. But I know the chorus goes something like meow.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. You have sun singing that I'm just speaking trapping now. I'm in my collab, please. I'm keep up. I lost my knees. Look at the top in the water. Like you see the kiss like you're burning. All you dancing on the table, table. We make them. Girls, we don't chase them. We don't run, we don't chase them. Turn it up, hit that bass drum. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on. Chase them. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on. I'm a motherfucker, I can do it all night, it will keep me going. Making my contact like I don't slide, I got it, keeps me on it. Go ahead and repeat it, should be catching. Nothing else on my mind when I'm on my grind, I ain't got time. So look at the clocks in the roaring. I take this shit to place, I'll keep burning. All it is you dancing on the table, table. On side, we make them. Girls, we gon' chase them. We don't run, we don't chase them. Turn it up, hit that bass drum. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on. Chase them. Chase them. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on.
Why you play like a dog? Still, I love you know much me do, baby. Still, I love you know much me do. Ah, get it, get. Huh? I think she's asking to meows, meow, moves, meow. I don't bite my tongue. So I have to say this is. It's not. I don't know what I was expecting, but it's okay. For me, it's okay. There's nothing I'm not seeing in K-pop. Like every single comeback, debut, solos, this is something new. So I'm not surprised. What have they not done? That's the beauty of K-pop. The diversity of K-pop is the beauty of K-pop. So yeah, like now we're cats. Yeah, we've been dogs. Sexy has been dogs. Stray kids are stray kids. We've been dogs. I just wanna be a dog. So I'm not surprised that they want to meow. Maybe they want to be cats and they want to meow. Here is a safe space. We don't have bias and we don't. Besides, and that's also nice. Meow. I was saying something spectacular because of I don't know whether I was comparing them to Baby Monster or Blackpink, but either ways, meow. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah.
We don't run, we don't chase them. Turn it up, hear that bass drum. Ones and years and dollars. Come on.